Today, we're excited to introduce Extend Styles, a brand new design feature coming to Divi. Extend Styles is a unique feature that combines the usefulness of Divi's copy and paste feature with the power of the find and replace feature in a way that's intuitive and efficient. For example, if you like the style of a section, you'll be able to extend that style to all sections in a few clicks. If you like a border style for a particular blurb module, you'll be able to extend that border style to all your blurbs in your row, section, or page. This will save valuable time when making global changes to your page and make it easier to explore new design possibilities. The Extend Styles feature will be accessible from the right-click menu of all modules, rows, and sections. Furthermore, the feature will be available to extend the styles of entire elements, option groups within elements, and individual options within elements. You can extend styles of entire sections, rows, and modules. Simply right-click on an element within the Divi Builder and select the Extend Styles option. In the Extend Styles pop-up modal, you can choose just how far you want those changes to extend throughout your page. Section styles can be extended to all sections on a page. Row styles can be extended to all rows in a section or to all rows on the entire page. And module styles can be extended to all modules in a column, row, section, or page. You can extend the styles of any option group within a section, row, or module. Simply right-click on the title of the option group within the element settings modal and select the option to extend styles. In the Extend Styles pop-up modal, you can define the scope of your action on 2 levels. On the first level, you choose the elements to which you want the style applied. All sections, all rows, all modules, all blurbs, etc. And on the second level, you define how much of your page will inherit these updated elements. All sections will extend to the entire page. Styles to all rows can be extended to the section or the entire page, and styles to all modules can be extended to the column, the row, the section, or the entire page. This ongoing effort to bring more design features to Divi is meant to liberate, not restrain. We want to help bridge the gap of the design process to harmonize workflow and encourage creativity. Our hope is that these features add the flexibility users need to design the way they want, as well as the functionality needed to get the job done efficiently. We look forward to seeing how this update will make Divi a more dynamic tool for bringing new ideas to life.